Umphathiswa wesebe lemisebenzi yoluntu Public Works ukutsho kwiphondo leMpuma Kapa uBabalo Madikizela wenze uhlolo kumgangatho wesakhiwo esilungiswayo kwisibhedlele iButterworth Hospital kwidolophu yaseCuwa. Umphathiswa Madikizela uthi ezi mpucuko zenziwayo kwesi sibhedlele zilungiselelwa izigulane ezosuleleke intsholongwane i-COVID-19. Umphathiswa ukwathi ukudingeka kwalamagumbi alungiswayo kungxamisekile.
Siyajikeleza namhlanje apha eMathole ukujonga iprogress kwezi zibhedlela senzayo. It's not really good kule site enze kuyo. There were a lot of technical glitches, but we've tried to sort them out, and we've given a contractor new time frames, but we've also requested the contractor to try work 24 hours like contractors are doing in other hospitals, but we are not really impressed with the pace of work.
Ingqonyela esisibhedlele ithi esisibhedlele besizidinga izimpucuko ezithe zenziwa.
He's here today to check on the progress of the work, you know, because we've got time frames here. We don't have time. Actually, we need to be ready as in yesterday. So he's impressed with the progress of the work so far, and has also pushed or emphasized with the contractor to complete the rest of the work by Friday this week.
Usodolophu wesithili amathole uthi uyaluvuyela undwendwele lukamphathiswa kwesi sibhedlele.
Department of Public Works to see how the Butterworth is actually ready. We have seen, to me, the comments of the MEC are endorsed, no matter the percentage of readiness it is. We have welcomed him and he has done the work today. It's on record.
Dalinceba, Text Image News, ndiseCuwa.